In today's video, I'm walking you through exactly how to use PhantomBuster to automate your cold email research process step by step. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're spending hours every single week finding leads, collecting emails, and trying to build outreach lists by hand, this is going to show you how to cut that process down to minutes using automation. Let's get into it. So first off, what is PhantomBuster and how does it help with cold email outreach? PhantomBuster is a platform that automates actions on websites and social platforms like LinkedIn, Google Maps, Instagram, and Twitter. For cold email, that means you can use it to scrape relevant contact data, build prospect lists, and even enrich those lists with job titles, company names, and emails, all without manual research. Instead of paying for expensive lead databases or manually pulling names into spreadsheets, you can automate everything from list building to email enrichment using PhantomBuster's Phantoms, which are basically pre-built bots designed to perform specific tasks. When you pair this with an email outreach tool like Instantly, Mailshake, or Lemlist, you now have a cold email system that can scale without a dedicated outbound rep. Let's go through the process step by step of using one of the most popular use cases, which is finding cold leads on LinkedIn and getting their emails into a clean spreadsheet ready for outreach. If you want to follow along, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. So once you are there, you'll want to get set up with a free trial. So it's a 14-day free trial, and you'll just enter in your email address and create an account. You will have to confirm your email, so make sure you do that as well. Another thing I just want to mention is you do need to download the Chrome extension, but it takes 2 clicks. Now, you'll also want to have LinkedIn up and be signed in just so it can automatically populate when we run the automation. So step 1 is to define your ideal lead criteria. So before you automate anything, you need to know exactly who you're targeting. For example, job title like marketing manager, or industry e-commerce, or location US, company size 11 to 50 employees. This will determine the filters you apply in the next step when searching on LinkedIn. Now for step number 2, now what we'll want to do is go to the LinkedIn search export. So we can search right here. Perfect. So we'll do connect with profiles from a LinkedIn search. So this will extract LinkedIn search results and collect new leads at scale. It can also send invitations to new profile and track results. So let's use this one. As you can see, since I was already logged into LinkedIn, it automatically detected that from the Chrome extension. So now step number 3 is we need to find the phantom that we want to use. So I'm going to use the LinkedIn search to emails. So this is where we can find the professional email addresses of LinkedIn profiles directly from a LinkedIn search. So we'll go ahead and use this. So since I already have LinkedIn up, it's already connected right here from the Chrome extension, which is again why you need to have that extension. Now we'll go ahead and paste this. Just want to show you some advanced settings. So let's go ahead and just do the number of results to scrape per search. We'll just do 10. And then this is the number of profiles to scrape per day, 20. Go ahead and go to save. Select your email discovery service. Now we need to switch on the Phantom to get started. Now it's going ahead and running the actual Phantom. Now we can see success. Let's go ahead and view the log. Now we can go back to dashboard, and this is where we will find it. So as you can see, all of the leads are right here. And this is why we didn't select this one, because we can see the names, like has liked, has commented, the LinkedIn profile, but we don't have the email address, which is not helpful in this case. And then the report is over here where it says 3 post scrapes, 43 commenters found, over 1,000 likers, and 1,000 profiles found. So once you have the enriched data with company domain names, you can use a tool like Hunter to find verified email addresses based on name and domain, or upload the file to a cold email tool with built-in enrichment. Some cold outreach platforms let you enrich emails automatically using these files, which saves you an extra step. After running the Phantoms, you'll have a cleaned up spreadsheet that includes name, job title, company, email, if it's there, LinkedIn profile, location, website, etc. If you're sending cold emails at scale, you'll want to double check your email formatting to make sure names are capitalized properly and that job titles don't include extra characters. Now that you have a clean and enriched lead list, you can upload it to your cold email platform of choice, whether that's Instantly, Lemlist, Mailshake, or another tool. Just again, make sure you personalize the first name. You can add first line column to your sheet for better open rates. You'll also want to set your sending volume low if you're warming up a new domain, and segment your campaigns by industry or role for better targeting. With this setup, you've just turned what would have been hours of manual research into a repeatable automated system. Then you can go back and adjust your LinkedIn search and run the process again with different filters to generate more leads on demand. Now, let's dive into some of the pros and cons of using PhantomBuster for cold emails research. Starting off with the pros. One of the main advantages of using PhantomBuster for cold email research is the amount of time it saves. Instead of manually combing through LinkedIn profiles or company websites to build a prospect list, you can automate that entire process and have results delivered straight to a spreadsheet. This is especially valuable for early stage founders or solo operators who don't have the time or resources to do outreach at scale. Another benefit is the precision it allows. Because you can start with highly specific search filters such as job title, industry, location, or company size, you're building a list that's relevant to your niche, not just a random pool of contacts. That targeting means higher reply rates and overall better results from your campaigns. PhantomBuster also integrates well with other tools in a typical outreach stack. You can export your data into Google Sheets, import it into email finders like Hunter or Drop Contact, and then connect it with a cold email platform like Instantly or Mailshake. That flexibility makes it easy to plug into whatever systems you're already using. The availability of pre-built automation templates also makes the platform easier to use for beginners. Even if you've never set up an automation before, you can select a Phantom, input a URL, and have it running in just a few minutes. Over time, you can chain multiple Phantoms together to build more advanced workflows as your needs grow. However, there are some limitations to be aware of. PhantomBuster does not send emails or manage outreach sequences. It is strictly a research and data collection tool, so you will need a separate platform to handle your actual email campaigns. If you're looking for an all-in-one outbound solution, this tool is just one part of that system. There is also a slight learning curve, especially when you're trying to combine multiple Phantoms into one workflow. While the template makes getting started easier, users who want to customize their setup or work across multiple platforms may need to invest some time into learning how everything connects. Another consideration is that some automations can break when the platforms they rely on, like LinkedIn or Facebook, update their interface or structure. If a Phantom stops working because LinkedIn changes how profiles are displayed, you may need to wait for PhantomBuster to release a fix or adjust your settings manually. Lastly, while PhantomBuster helps you gather data like names, job titles, and company websites, it doesn't verify emails by itself. You'll need to rely on enrichment tools to append or confirm contact information. That adds an extra step and may require additional subscriptions depending on which services you use. In summary, PhantomBuster is a powerful tool for automating cold email research, but it's not a complete solution. It works best as a part of a broader outreach system, especially when paired with email sending platforms and data enrichment services. Now, I wanted to quickly just show you the different plans and pricing options. You can start off with a free trial, and as you can see, you get 2 hours of execution time, 1,000 AI credits, 5 slots for Phantoms, and limited exports. Then they have the starter plan, and I just want to mention too, just because I want you to get the best price possible, I'm going to share the annual billing, which saves you 20% compared to the monthly. Now, with the starter plan, this is $56 per month billed annually. All of these, the hours per month, AI credits per month, slots for Phantoms, with each plan just increases. And then everything else is the same in terms of unlimited export, community access, and priority support. Again, the starter plan is $56 per month billed annually. The pro plan is $128 per month paid annually. Everything is increasing. And then again, with the team plan, it's $352 per month billed annually. And you get more hours, more AI credits, more slots. And then there's also bonus 500 email credits a month. So again, it increases as the plan increases. Try out the free trial, see if you like using it, and then you can always upgrade from there. Now, should you use PhantomBuster for cold email research? If you're consistently building outreach lists or doing lead generation by hand, PhantomBuster can save you hours each week. It's especially useful for solo founders, growth marketers, and small teams that don't have time to manually search, copy, and paste contact info. The tool is powerful once you get familiar with the interface and how each Phantom fits into the overall workflow. It's not completely plug and play, but once your first automation is set up, you'll be able to repeat and scale it quickly. For cold email, PhantomBuster is not a complete solution. It won't send emails or manage inboxes, but as a research tool that automates data collection and enrichment, it's one of the strongest options out there, especially when paired with email tools designed for outreach. If you value speed, efficiency, and want to own your own lead list instead of renting them out, PhantomBuster is a smart addition to your stack. One of the biggest shifts in my own business came when I stopped trying to do everything manually and started building systems that could run without me. Whether you're trying to grow your audience, build your product, or just get more organized, tools like PhantomBuster help you reclaim your time and focus on what actually moves the needle. You don't have to use every feature, and you definitely don't need to become a tech expert overnight. But if you've been feeling stretched thin and you're looking for smarter ways to handle repetitive work, this is one of the most practical tools to consider. Again, if you want to try PhantomBuster out for yourself, make sure you use our exclusive link in the the description below and get started with the free trial. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. If you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping early stage founders and solopreneurs grow smarter, faster, and with more clarity. We cover tools, systems, and strategies that help you build real momentum without burning out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.